Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting messages on Viber. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up Viber and open the chat that the message you would like to delete is in. Once in the chat, hold down on the message that you would like to delete. Select Delete from the menu that appears. On this pop-up, you have the option to just delete the message for yourself, or to delete it for everyone. When you are deleting other people's messages, you can only delete them for yourself, and not for the other person. To delete multiple messages at once, tap on the 3 vertical dots button in the top right corner. Then tap Select Messages. Tap to select the messages that you would like to delete, and then tap on the trash icon in the bottom left corner to delete your selected messages. You can also delete all of the messages in a chat at the same time. To do this, tap on the person's name at the top of the chat. Scroll down the sidebar menu that appears, and then select Clear Chat Content. Tap Clear on the pop-up. All of the messages in the chat will then be cleared. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Viber tips and tricks.